GearUP Booster versus LagoFast review. Which gaming booster is better? Choosing the right gaming booster can make a noticeable difference in your online gaming experience, especially if you struggle with lag, high ping, or unstable connections. GearUP Booster and LagoFast are two tools designed to optimize your connection and performance, but they take different approaches and cater to different needs. This comparison breaks down how each booster works, so you can decide which one is better for your setup. GearUP Booster is a gaming optimization tool built to improve connection stability and reduce latency while gaming. It typically works by prioritizing gaming traffic, optimizing routes between your device and game servers, and reducing packet loss where possible. The goal is to create a smoother online experience with fewer hiccups, especially in competitive or fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. GearUP Booster usually offers an easy interface that lets you select your game, apply optimization settings, and start playing with improved performance almost instantly. LagoFast is another gaming booster that focuses on enhancing network performance for gamers. It aims to reduce lag and improve ping by optimizing your connection paths, reducing network interference, and prioritizing game packets over other background traffic. LagoFast may also include features such as automatic server selection, real-time monitoring, and performance dashboards to give you insight into how your connection is performing. The tool is built to be user-friendly, making it easy for gamers of all experience levels to boost their online performance. Both GearUP Booster and LagoFast are designed to improve gaming network performance, but they shine in slightly different ways. GearUP Booster tends to prioritize simplicity and quick setup, perfect for gamers who want a fast performance bump without tweaking settings. LagoFast may offer more insight and control with its monitoring tools and automatic server selection, giving you deeper optimization options if you want to fine-tune your experience. Your choice depends on whether you value a no-fuss setup or more detailed control over your connection optimization. Feature comparison. GearUP Booster and LagoFast both aim to improve your gaming network performance, but they take slightly different approaches. GearUP Booster is perfect for gamers who want a quick and easy way to reduce lag and boost stability without much setup. LagoFast works well for those who want additional tools like server selection and performance monitoring to fine-tune their connection. Final thoughts. If you want a booster that's simple, fast to set up, and gives you a noticeable improvement without tinkering, GearUP Booster is a great choice. If you prefer a tool with deeper optimization options, automatic server selection, and real-time feedback, LagoFast may be the better option for you. The best gaming booster for you depends on how much control you want and how deeply you want to optimize your gaming connection.